Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan, and welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Well, coming to the market yesterday, a complete volatile day again. Well, yesterday we had discussed that most of the European markets were closed for Easter, and some Asian markets also were closed for Easter. So it was more of, I would say, less volume trading in the market. And it is when there is a less volume trading, that is when a lot of bullies come in and kind of try to control the market. And that's exactly probably what happened yesterday. We could see the market actually slightly falling down in the morning, and then from there a big rally upwards, and then finally exactly close to where it opened yesterday morning. So I would say the Nifty was completely flat yesterday with a small negative bias, but then doesn't mean that it's going to be a reversal from here. I would not confirm it until this indication actually clears up. Now there are few things in the market which is actually going to hold up the market. We will discuss that in a while. But now something interesting I would like to say is yesterday both the institutionals were on the buy side. Yes, FIIs bought for almost 882 crores and DIIs also bought for 351 crores. So it means probably the retailers were the net sellers yesterday. Well, that could be also a chance there. So now, yes, DIA buying was good, and if you see, most of the stocks of the FIA favorites were also going up. So yesterday we could see on the top was Tata Motors up by almost 5% after JLR reported a good result. So they have reported that their sales in this quarter, the previous quarter, has been much better than the Q3. So that is something which is something really good, which powered Tata Motors. And Tata Motors has been suffering because of JLR. In fact, Tata Motors India has been profitable from quite some few years, but then all the profit was being dragged by JLR because JLR was in big losses. So the JLR, of course, continues to be in loss, but the losses, if reduces, can actually have a great impact on Tata Motors, and that's exactly what is powering Tata Motors right now. So apart from that, if you look at Titan, we had spoken about it yesterday morning, and the new stores and all that. So Titan was in a positive side yesterday. We could also see DLF up by almost 3%. Not only DLF, most of the real estate stocks yesterday were up after RBI actually has reduced the or at least not reduced. Sorry, it has not increased the interest rates. So on the hopes that, if the interest rates don't go up, then home loan rates won't go up. That means probably real estate can perform better. So that is something which on the conference on which a lot of people have actually started buying into real estate. So that is also good. So in fact, I'm really happy because one of our favorite real estate stocks, sorry, I'm sure you'll guess it by now. It was L&T, has touched a brand new all-time high. I'm really proud of it, holding some good amount of stocks in L&T. I'm sure all of you at MPA family who are holding the stock should be really happy about it. So apart from that, if you look at if you look at what's happening at US, so yesterday night when I was looking at the US market before I get to bed, US market was in negative. In fact, Nasdaq was almost minus 1%. But from there, this morning I wake up to see the complete change in the market. A big volatile day in the US yesterday also, and we could see the Nasdaq actually recovering from minus 1% to close almost flat. So it was slightly negative, but then it is almost flat. But S&P 500 and Dow Jones have actually closed in the positive. That's a good sign. In fact, if you look at the Dow futures, they're trading flat as of now. But being Tuesday today, I am making this report early. So there are chances things can change by the time the actual market opens. But however, as of now, the market is indicating SGX Nifty is at 17,700ish. And it's looking flat, so that is indicating a flat opening in the market, maybe with a slightly positive bias. However, today is the Fin Nifty expiry, so naturally the volatility is there to continue. But then some focus would be on these stocks. So if you look at the first one, Bank of Baroda has given its results yesterday, and they have come out very good results. So this is a positive for PSU banks again. So there are chances the PSU banks can react to it. So probably we could see the PSU banks kind of trying to move up. So let's see how that performs. Apart from that, there's a good news from SBI also. They are actually planning a $2 billion fundraising is what they're planning. So that is something really good. and probably we could see some movement there because SBI has been kind of underperformed for some time, can be expected to perform in some time. JSW Steel again has reported its highest ever crude steel production at 24 million ton. That is, for FY 2023, which is something good. So probably we could see some movement yesterday in Hindalco also. In fact, we had bought Hindalco yesterday. By the way, let me remind you, I am not giving you a buy signal here. It is simple. I am not a SEBI registered analyst, but I'm just sharing what I'm doing. It is for your knowledge purpose. So apart from that, Adani Group again is seeing, it's not come out of the trouble completely. In fact, recently there was an article in the Financial Times that there is FDI, foreign direct investment in Adani Group, and the company has actually refuted those charges, saying that it is not there, and it is the media trying to malign them. So that is something which is kind of a small concern. But then, of course, markets will not react so much to Adani now, because market has reacted enough and kind of absorbed into it. So that's it for now. I think these are news that would actually, affect the market as of now. Let's see how the day goes. So, of course, with Fin Nifty expiry, let us expect the market to go on a positive bias. But it all depends on how the markets would react after the European markets open, because European market were closed yesterday for Easter Monday, and today they will be opening. So after a long weekend, so Friday, Saturday, Sunday and Monday, 4 days, European markets are going to open. So let us look forward to some cues from there. Chinese market would be in focus because their CPI data is about to come, and also Korea is releasing their interest rate decision today. So let's see, will they follow Indian central bank and stop rising the interest rates? These are also a few things. However, they may not affect Indian market for big, but then this is just something I thought I should share with you. So that's it for now. So enjoy your day. Have a good day trading or investing. This is Srikanth Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share, and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together. And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, do subscribe, because this is where you get the latest notifications quickly. Thank you. Goodbye.